Who said you couldn't just throw everything together all in the same pattern? Well, with Andromeda here, I've got these alternating hexagons and triangles using extended symmetries to get out to a loop of 6 that is alternating rhombi and triangles. And this is just fascinating to me how these patterns are backlighting, because I end up getting very distinct blocks of hexagon and triangle that are then interacting in these interesting half offset ways. So there's way more variety out there than you might think. And this was the first pattern I tried in this tiling. That tells me that the flexibility in this tiling is just enormous.